Well, hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about supplementary vertical and complementary angles. And so I've got this drawing up here. And so the first question of the day is, what is the measure of CXF? So CXF is this angle right here that we are going to be talking about. And so this angle, I notice, is complementary because of the 90-degree mark to FXD. So that would mean that angle CXF plus, this should be the measure of angle FXD should equal 90 degrees. So if I substitute in the stuff that I know, that the measure of FXD is 40, and I do some algebra, subtracting 40 across the equal sign, the measure of angle CXF should be 50 degrees. So I can put a 50 there. All right, so that answers the first question. Then what angle is vertical to CXF? All right, so vertical angles, remember, are made up by straight lines. So here is one of the sides that makes up CXF. The other side is this guy right here. And so you will notice that the angle that is made that by the two lines that I'm crossing with would be this angle down here. So the vertical angle to CXF is the angle GXE. And then what is the measure of that angle? Well, if they are vertical angles, then the measure of that angle would have to be 50 degrees as well. All right. Then they're asking for what angle is supplementary to CXF. And so supplementary means it's going to add up to be 180. And so there are two options for this. There is this angle right here that would complete the straight line that is CXE. And so that would be one angle. So one angle supplementary to CXF would be FXE. FXE. And then, or the other angle would be on the other side, matching up with the other angle, which would be right here, and that would be CXG. All right, so now that those are the two angles, well, these two angles are also vertical angles, but they are supplementary to this 50 degrees, so that would mean that if I take 50 away from 180, that would mean that both of these angles will be equal to one another, and they should be equal to 130 degrees. And then let's clear out this stuff down here. And then it says, name two angles that are complementary to each other, but not have CXF in it. So two angles that would be complementary that don't have CFX in it would be something that makes a 90-degree angle. Now, when I have a 90-degree angle where two lines are crossing, that would make this be a 90-degree angle as well. So one of the two angles that could add together to be 90 degrees could be angle CXB plus angle BXA. That would equal a complementary angles. And or this 90 degrees down here, 90 degrees goes basically all the way around, but there's no angle splitting this one. So the other option would be angle AXG plus angle GXE. Those would also be 90 degrees. So this concludes the video for today. We'll talk to you guys soon.